Today, we're following a special car, the SF-CARS Fiat, a rear-engine marvel ready to conquer the track. Driven by Sami Fält, this little machine was here to make a statement in the rear-engine class. Sami Fält driving the Fiat, skillfully navigating turns, show a quick shot of the start of the race where Sami takes the lead. From the very first lap, Sami and the Fiat were a force to be reckoned with. With incredible precision and raw power, they secured a decisive victory in their first heats. But in the unpredictable world of folk racing, triumph can turn to tragedy in an instant. In the very next heat, pushing hard for another win, disaster struck. A devastating rollover. The SF-CARS Fiat was a crumpled wreck. It looked like the end of their race day, the dream shattered on the track. The little Fiat was now just a pile of twisted metal. But this is folk racing, and giving up is not an option. Back in the pits, an incredible decision was made. The SF-CARS crew refused to let their Fiat story end here. Against all odds, with sheer determination and grease-stained hands, they brought the battered Fiat back to life. It was bruised, it was battered, but it was ready. With Sami out, a new driver stepped into the driver's seat for the general class, Santeri Fält. He looked at the mangled but fixed Fiat, and knew what he had to do. What unfolded next was nothing short of miraculous. Despite its injuries, the little Fiat, guided by Santeri, tore through the competition. It was an unstoppable force, leaving every other car in its dust.